Good afternoon, everyone. Here is my poultry, mini poultry farm, my mini poultry homestead farm, 5 meter by 5.5 meters. Yep. This is what I have here. I have the poultry pen is 5 meters by 5.5 meters, and it is divided into 3 sections. Each section holds 100 beds. Each section is designed to hold 100 beds. I have here my first stock, which is 100 beds. They are 31 days old today. That is a month and 3 days. And the average weight I have here is about 1.5 kg. And they are due for sales in the next 10 to 11 days. That will make it exactly 6 weeks. And they are responding very well. They are eating very well, and they are growing as expected. So by the next 11 days, they should be between 2.5 to 2.7 kg. But for me, once they get to 2.5 kg, I am okay with the size. It's marketable at that size of 2.5 kg, because that's what the market that I'm targeting, that's what they demand. Now I have 100 beds here. This is the second batch I have here. I have also 100 beds here in this second section here. They are the second batch. They are exactly also two weeks now and 3 days. And their weight too is also very, very encouraging. The weight here I have is average of 500 grams as well. So, and they are growing very well too. They are responding fantastic. The growth is very, very encouraging as well. So I'm also expecting to get by the next 2 weeks at least another 1.5 kg in the next 2 weeks. Now this is the third batch I have here. The third batch is 110. These ones were collected 3 days ago, and they are 110, and they are also very, very active. They are very active and very healthy bird. By the time they get to a week and some few days, I'm going to extend their house the full length, so that they will have more space to move around. They will have more space to flex and move around. So I have 110 here. So generally, in essence, I have 300 beds here now, and I'll be harvesting them. I'll be taking them to the slaughter every 2 weeks. So what it means is that, as it is now, it has been synchronized. It has been staggered in such a way that every 2 weeks I'll be harvesting and making my sales. Every 2 weeks I'll be harvesting and making sales. So in a month, I have to be able to I'll be earning profits on this stock every 2 times in a month, which is very, very ideal. The good thing about it is that it can be scaled up. It can be, I have 300 beds there. It can be scaled up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, even up to 10,000. But as it is now, it's at this level, it's still very, very encouraging, and it's modest and very, very encouraging. It's homestead. I didn't use so much space. I have my solar lamp here, 2 solar floodlights here, so that I can always feed during the night as well, and come in here without any fear, even at night, to check on my birds. Thank you so much.